Are you over 50 or 60 and feeling weaker with each passing year? The truth is, many seniors unknowingly do things every day that actually speed up muscle loss. But here's the good news. You can stop it, reverse it, and rebuild strength with the right habits. Today, I'll reveal what not to do, plus the foods, tips, exercises, and lifestyle changes that protect your muscles for life. The problem: muscle loss with aging. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink in a condition called sarcopenia. After 50, we lose about 1% of muscle every year, and by 70, it can be as high as 20 to 30%. Weak muscles mean difficulty standing up or climbing stairs, increased risk of falls and fractures, slower metabolism leading to weight gain, loss of independence. But the biggest mistake: many people don't even realize their daily habits are making muscle loss worse. Don't do this. Habits that speed up muscle loss. Here are the top mistakes to avoid. Not eating enough protein. Muscles need amino acids, but many seniors eat mostly carbs. Skipping strength training. Walking is good, but without resistance exercises, muscles shrink. Being sedentary. Long hours of sitting weaken muscles faster. Relying only on medications. Pills don't replace nutrition and movement. Crash dieting or skipping meals. Starving the body makes it burn muscle, not fat. Ignoring recovery and sleep. Muscles repair at night. Poor sleep means weaker muscles. High sugar and processed foods. They inflame the body and damage muscle tissue. Golden rule: what you don't do is just as important as what you do. The solution: how to stop muscle loss. Stopping muscle loss requires 3 pillars of health. Nutrition: eat muscle-building foods. Exercise: strengthen with safe, senior-friendly movements. Lifestyle habits: prioritize rest, hydration, and balance. Foods that protect muscles. Food is your first medicine against muscle loss. Here are the best options. Protein-rich foods: eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils. Healthy fats: olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocado, help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens: spinach, kale, and broccoli for magnesium and antioxidants. Dairy and alternatives: milk, cottage cheese, fortified plant milk for calcium and vitamin D, whole grains and sweet potatoes. Provide energy for exercise and recovery. Golden tip: eat 20 to 30 grams of protein at each meal instead of loading it all at dinner. Exercises to fight muscle loss. Without exercise, food alone cannot stop sarcopenia. The most powerful weapon: strength training. Here are senior-safe exercises to do at home. Chair squats: strengthen thighs and hips. Wall push-ups: build chest, arms, and shoulders. Calf raises: improve balance and ankle strength. Seated knee extensions: protect knees and improve walking ability. Bicep curls with light weights: keep arms strong for daily tasks. Do 10 to 12 reps each, 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency matters more than intensity. Tips for muscle protection: spread protein evenly through the day. Pair protein with light exercise for better absorption. Stay hydrated. Dehydration weakens muscles. Avoid sitting for long periods. Stand and move every hour. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Check vitamin D and B12 levels regularly. Mix balance and flexibility training with strength training. Celebrate small wins. Progress builds confidence. Lifestyle habits to preserve strength. Lifestyle matters just as much as food and exercise. Here's what works best. Morning routine: begin with stretches or a 5-minute walk. Meal planning: prep protein-rich snacks like boiled eggs or yogurt. Daily movement: use TV breaks for calf raises or squats. Social activity: stay engaged. Dancing, gardening, or group walks keep you active. Stress control: chronic stress raises cortisol, which breaks down muscle. Use deep breathing, meditation, or prayer. Remember, motion is lotion, and daily habits keep muscles alive. Outro: final motivation: muscle loss in old age is not destiny, it's a choice. By avoiding the habits that speed it up, eating muscle-friendly foods, exercising regularly, and living an active lifestyle, you can stay strong, balanced, and independent. Golden tip: strength is built daily, not in years, but in small steps. So don't wait. Start protecting your muscles today. Your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more golden health tips. Stay strong, stay active, and live healthy at any age.